Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. And in this video I will show you how you can turn off or on the WhatsApp notification on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Now the first thing you need to do is swipe right. Here you have the panel of notification. You go to settings, go to app notifications and scroll down until you see WhatsApp. Here you have it. Click on it. The notifications are on. If you want to turn them off, toggle this off, and that's it. You won't receive any notifications on your watch from WhatsApp. If you want to leave it on or turn it on, toggle it on, and that's it. Here you'll find the other notifications like YouTube Music, Voice Recorder, Spotify, or even Maps, Google Play, and Gemini. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.